Now, Army Chief M.M. Naravane has promised that the sacrifices of those killed in Galwan won't go waste. Speaking on the occasion of Army Day, Naravane called the Chinese aggression a conspiracy to change status quo. On the ongoing tensions with China at the line of actual control, the Army Chief said that 8 rounds of talks between the top military commanders have already taken place and that India is looking now for a resolution through dialogue. India and China standoff has now entered the 9th month as both sides continue with heavy deployment. In an ugly clash along the line of actual control last year, 20 Indian soldiers were martyred. Referring to Pakistan-sponsored terror, he said that 300 to 400 terrorists are already in launch pads across the line of control to infiltrate. He also said that there has been 40% increase in ceasefire violations by Pakistan at the line of control and that every bid to infiltrate has been thwarted.
पिछला वर्ष सेना के लिए बेहद चुनौतीपूर्ण रहा। उत्तरी सीमाओं पर चीन के साथ चल रहे तनाव से आप परिचित हैं। देश के सीमाओं पर एक तरफा बदलाव की साजिश को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया गया। मैं देश को विश्वास दिलाना चाहूँगा कि गलवान की वीरों की शहादत व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगी। भारतीय सेना देश के संप्रभुता और सुरक्षा पर कोई आंच नहीं आने देगी। हम बातचीत और राजनीतिक प्रयासों से विवादों का समाधान के प्रति प्रतिबद्ध हैं, लेकिन कोई भी हमारे धैर्य की परीक्षा करने की गलती ना करें। नियंत्रण रेखा पर भी दुश्मन के हर नापाक इरादे का करारा जवाब दिया जा रहा है। पाकिस्तान आतंकवादियों को पनाह देने की अपनी आदत से लाचार है। सीमा पर प्रशासन शिविरों में तकरीबन 300 से 400 आतंकवादी घुसपैठ करने की फिराक में बैठे हैं। पिछले वर्ष सीज फायर वायलेशन में 44% बढ़ोतरी हुई, जो कि पाकिस्तान के नापाक इरादों का सबूत है। सरहद पार से ड्रोन्स और टनल्स के द्वारा भी हथियार की स्मगलिंग करने की कोशिश की गई। पिछले वर्ष सेना ने नियंत्रण रेखा और काउंटर टेररिस्ट ऑपरेशंस में 200 से भी अधिक आतंकवादियों को मार गिराया। इन प्रयासों से JNK में न केवल हिंसा की घटनाओं में काफ़ी गिरावट आई है, बल्कि आवाम को भी आतंकवाद से राहत मिली है।
Let's cut across to Abhishek Balla joining us live for more. Abhishek, very assertive words from Army Chief General Naravane speaking of China's bid to infiltrate, but India has been firm along the borders. Line of actual control, line of control. He also speaks of Pakistan's bid to an attempt to infiltrate time and again, which has been thwarted. What else did he say on this very prestigious occasion?
No, some plain speak by the Indian Army Chief when he called the attempt to change status quo a conspiracy by China. Just to give a little bit of background to this, why he said this, he also touched upon this a few days earlier during his annual press conference, where he said that there was nothing different in the kind of deployment in early April by China in eastern Ladakh, because that was an annual affair when they carried out an exercise at that point of the year. And the Indian Army had no inkling that, there could be something as dangerous or as sinister being planned by the Chinese. And once again, by calling it a conspiracy, he's clearly suggested foul play as far as China is concerned to make a complete change in the status quo. Remember, India has been saying that the only way to a long-term solution is to restore status quo ante as of April 2020. But that doesn't seem to have happened all through of last year. The standoff has entered its 9th month now. 8 rounds of talks have taken place, but the stalemate continues.
Yeah, thank you very much, Abhishek, for joining us with those details there. General Naravane on the occasion today makes it quite a point there, assertive, that India is prepared.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.